Hi and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to analyze Dell. First we'll find out the dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. Dell has a market cap of $10 billion. The current stock price when recording this video is $40.22 and they operate in the technology industry. In front of us we have a graph where the black line is Dell, the blue line is the S&P 500, and we can see that Dell has actually outperformed the S&P 500 by a great margin, and this is with dividends reinvested the last 10 years. Now some financial data. Sales growth at 10.20%, that's a check mark. The earnings per share growth is actually a staggering 27.7%. The analyst expects some weaker earnings ahead though, 7%, that's an X. And the return on capital hasn't been great, so they are not that good at making money out of money, 6.7%. The debt is also quite high compared to the cash flow they are generating, 7 years. Now some yield data. An okay dividend yield at 2.35%, and they actually bought back over 3% of their shares last year, so that's a combined yield of about 5.5%. The payout ratio is also extremely low, 8.67%. The dividend growth rate is not available. Dell has only been paying a dividend for 3 quarters yet, so same goes here, dividend growth years, 0 years. All in all, that makes up for dividend score at 5 out of 10 points. Now, the valuation in fast graphs. Here we have Dell in fast graphs, and Dell has only been publicly listed since 2018, so that's what we have to go with for their history. But we can see that the earnings has steadily been growing since that at least. And actually their earnings growth rate is almost 26%, so that's very impressive. If we also plot the normal PE compared to the current stock price, we can see that it's actually trading below their normal valuation. And if we project out to early 2025, we can see an annual rate of return of almost 22%. We can also check the analyst scorecard and see if they are usually right with Dell earnings, but unfortunately we can see that they are missing a lot on the earnings estimates. Please hit the like button and also watch one of my latest video where I reviewed a subscriber portfolio. See you soon!